So, hi dear Libra, a very, very good evening to you guys. This is Anjali Tarot, and this is a general love reading for all the Libra, Sun, Moon, Venus rising from today till the 25th of August for those who are in complete no contact or no communication and wants to know what's going on the other side. Just give me a second. If it is not resonating, it's not your story. You can just skip the video, okay? If you want to be a professional tarot card reader like me, you can start your journey by purchasing my course. The link is in the description box for the same. If you want to be a professional tarot card reader like me, I told you, right? Where am I? Okay. And if you want to start your self healing journey with Ho'oponopono but don't know from where to start, you can definitely start by purchasing my masterclass. Again, the link is in the description box for the same. And if you want one on one healing sessions or personal readings, you can check out the description box and mail me for the same. So let's start. Libra, the person that you have no contact or no communication with, their current feelings for you right now at this present moment. Let's see. We have this Empress, the King of Pentacles, the Knight of Cups, bottom of the deck is the Four of Wands. What an energy! What an energy! This person is super. This person's energies are super, super, super duper open towards you right now at this present moment. They feel like coming towards you with some kind of offer, message, communication, apology. They see you as the person who they can have growth and expansion with, and they can have a long-term partnership kind of a deal with. This is somebody who feels like you're a marriage material kind of a person, or now this person feels like having a stable kind of dynamic between you and them. I don't know what shifted in this particular person's energy, but they're super duper open to, their energies are super duper open towards your energies right now. I don't know on a physical level what the hell they're doing. I have seen people's energy, two people, their energies are so beautifully blended, but on a physical level in the 3D world they fight like pigs and they never come together. This is the scenario here. This person's energies are super super open towards you. They feel the love, they feel the growth and expansion, they feel the groundedness, they feel the warmth, and they feel like you guys have a strong potential to be together in some way, shape, or form. How like a bindi can make you look a totally different person, right? Anyway, so let's see what this person wants from you. What are their intentions for the situation between you and them? Page of Cups, Six of Cups, Two of Wands. My goodness, this person wants for the time when he or she can come back around and have a reconciliation with you. This person wants to come back around at the right time to reconnect with you, have a reconciliation with you because they want you back in your life. What? Libra, I don't know what is changing in this person's energy. They're missing you like hell, and this person wants you. Now, this is one of those reading where the other person wants to listen to, wants to hear this kind of stories, like a fairy tale kind of story. This person wants you. They are in love with you, and they want to be with you. They're missing you like crazy, but they want to wait for the right time. Right now, they're guarded. Right now, they feel like you're guarded. The situation is guarded. For some reason, they feel like there's a huge blockage in the situation. They just can't be with you just like that. There are lots of things that needs to be sorted before they can come forward and reconnect with you, so they want time. Okay, their intention is to come back around and have a reconciliation with you, but again they need time for that. Let's see what action is this person going to take towards you, if any, by the what we have 25th of August. We have the Five of Wands, the Ace of Cups, and the Chariot. I do see this person out of the blue. This person might text you or call you and they will fight with you. And then after one communication, after one conversation, this person is going to be like, I don't care. I don't want to be with you. I don't want to talk to you. It's like this person wants to open up to you. They want to talk to you, but that uh, they're not going to going to talk to you like, okay, I am missing you, I want to be with you, or this or that. No, they're going to like fight with you or create some kind of drama or conflict, or they're going to trigger you in some way, shape, or form, or they will try to trigger you in some way, shape, or form so that you are going to fight with them or you are going to start a communication with them. It's like this person wants to connect with you, okay? And they are feeling the love, they are missing you like crazy. They want to talk to you, but they're not going to tell it to you, they're not going to show it to you. In fact, they might create some kind of drama or fight, or they might try to trigger you in some way, shape, or form. And then after that fight, after that communication, nothing. They are going to feel like, okay, so it means Libra is still affected by what I do or what I say, so it means there's something left in the situation. So it's like just to see, if there's something left from your side towards them, they might create some kind of drama. I don't know what that is. A little bit of drama, a little bit of fight, nothing more than that. Okay, it's cute. It's like me, me having a fight with my mother, and I know she loves me, but I'm going to trigger her in some way, shape, or form, so that she is going to say something nasty to me. But at the same time, it's going to give me this feeling that, okay, this affects her, so it means she loves me more. She loves me. Like, are you getting my point? So this person might try to test that if you still love them or care for them or not, but like a kid. Okay, anyway, so let's see the guidance here. Oh, dil tu ja tu. Seven of Cups. Keep your options open. Don't get stuck on this particular person's energy, because their energies are still very unstable. I think this person is in the past for some valid reason. Do not forget that reason. As of now, I'm getting that keep your options open, and don't forget why this person is in no contact with you, and what were the reasons this thing didn't work out in the past. Keep that in mind, and then keep moving forward accordingly. Okay, honey, this is what I'm getting here. So yeah, thank you so much for tuning in. I'll see you soon in the next video. Bye bye, take care, God bless you, namaste.